If you want to look more attractive instantly, you don't need expensive clothes. You need the right ones. Today, I'm going to show you 5 outfits that will visually make you look more confident, stylish, and masculine. Hi, this is Swapnil and welcome back to the Classic Dandy, where I bring timeless menswear to the modern gentleman. Not all of us men have the budget or the willingness to spend a lot of money on designer clothes or on big brands. But does that mean that we are not supposed to look well put together? Certainly not. You need to make the right and wise choices. You need to play around what you already have in a much better manner. Today, the 5 outfits that I'm going to show you consists of pieces that you already have in your wardrobe or you have something close to it. So without any further ado, let's jump into our 5 outfits. And if you like the video so far, make sure to subscribe to it.
Smart casual perhaps has the widest acceptability across any form of outfit, especially for men. Here I'm wearing this beautiful light blue color, or rather sky blue color OCBD Oxford cloth button down shirt. Oxford cloth has this ability to be versatile as well as great for daily use as well. In my personal opinion, a person should have at least 2 OCBDs in his wardrobe, and that's about it. You're good to go. On my wrist, I'm wearing an Orient Bambino with a simple dial and leather strap. Around my waist, I have a leather braided belt. And for my trousers, going with the taste of smart casuals, I'm wearing some flat front straight fit chinos in navy blue color. Now, navy blue chinos are again very versatile, great to dress up or to dress down as well. To add that hint or a pop of color, I'm wearing some terracotta color socks, and on my feet I have tassel loafers in dark chocolate brown color. Let me know in comments if you like this outfit or if there are any changes that you suggest. There are very few items in a man's wardrobe that looks as masculine as a really nice flannel, or rather thick flannel shirt with flap pockets or western construction. Here I'm wearing this lovely plaid flannel shirt. This is a thick flannel shirt. This is not a western shirt but has flap pockets, and that's about it. There's not much fuss to it, and when this kind of a flannel shirt is paired with some raw denims, especially in dark blue color, well, it cannot be more masculine than this. On my wrist, I'm wearing my Orient Bambino just to keep things simple and classy. Around my waist, I have a leather belt, and look at these denims. These are the 501s by Levi's. They are in 100% cotton, rugged and great for daily use, something that is not going to burn a hole in your pocket as well. On my feet, I'm wearing some Chelsea boots in suede material. These Chelsea boots are in chocolate brown color. Not every modern gentleman likes to wear a tie, especially on formal or business formal occasions, and that's absolutely fine. I get it. But how would you do it otherwise? Well, you can use your evergreen OCBD. Here I'm wearing this lovely sky blue color Oxford cloth button down shirt. Now, why OCBD? OCBD has this innate capability of being informal yet being dressy. Just look at the collar construction. Button down collar gives your neck and your upper chest a really nice fluid appeal. Over the top, I have thrown on some double breast navy blazer. And double breast navy blazer are also versatile and great to dress up or down. For my trousers, here I'm using these lovely light pink color trousers in plaid. Now these trousers comes in double pleat construction. They have cuff around the hem, and for my shoes I have chosen to go for some Chelsea boots. These are medium brown Chelsea boots. They are again pretty versatile. This whole outfit will not really cost you a lot of money but make you look dressed up like hell. Clean and minimalist look does not have to be a white tee and a pair of chinos or a pair of denims always. You can turn it around as well. Here I'm wearing a lovely textured polo in black color. Now this particular polo has lovely waffle texture to it, so it gives a nice visual appeal. Black, because black goes well with my skin tone. If you want, you can go for cream, you can go for white as well, but just to turn heads around a bit, you can try and go for black or charcoal. Around my wrist I have an Orient Bambino. There are no prizes for guessing. You know my trousers have to be charcoal gray pleated pants. Now these pleated trousers are great. They are not skinny, they are not too baggy as well. Has cuff around the hems, gives a nice support to the whole construction and the pleats as well. On my feet I'm wearing some suede loafers with bow detailing. These suede loafers comes in this lovely navy blue color. If you want, you can go for brown or black as well. Monochromatic look does not really have to be black on black or gray on gray every time. How about cream on cream? Well, first and foremost reason is because cream suits my skin tone really well, and I think it'll suit most of the Indian men's skin tone as well. The only precaution that you have to take with cream is the fit and the shade of cream. I would like to tell you that you must be on the whiter side of cream rather than going for cream that is too yellowish. Here I'm wearing this lovely cream color polo which has beautiful waffle texture to it. For my trousers, I have chosen to go for cream trousers with double pleats, and these particular trousers has beautiful construction. They are not very tight, they are not very loose. They fit me perfectly. That's how trousers should fit. On my feet, I'm wearing some medium brown color Chelsea boots.
One last pro tip for you, always play around with this formula. Nail the fit, make sure that your grooming is correct, and also keep your confidence in check, and you're good to go. Do let me know in comments which one was your favorite outfit out of these 5 and which one would you be trying this week. If you like the content of this video, make sure to spread the word and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.